Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 1st February Saturday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 4, number 8, number 14, number 34, number 39, number 49. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 8, number 14, number 34, number 39, number 49. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 11, number 16, number 23, number 28, number 32, number 37. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 11, number 16, number 23, number 28, number 32, number 37. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 22 and number 31 and number 37 and number 42. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 22, number 31 and number 37 and number 42. Now tea time prediction for 1st February Saturday 2024. Today time single prediction numbers: number 6, number 14, number 27, number 28, number 35, number 48. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 6, number 14, number 27, number 28, number 35, number 48. Now the time second prediction numbers: number 5, and number 8, number 9, number 17, 29, and number 32. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 5, number 8, number 9, number 17, number 29, number 32. Tea time booster ball numbers: number 18, and number 32, and number 36, and number 43. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 18, number 32, number 36, and number 43. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next